Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove rust from a heavily rusted trailer hitch using Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. Let's get started. First, let's see what we're dealing with here. Wow, that's a ton of rust. Okay, time to de-rust. Grab a plastic container and pour in your Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. Oh yeah, safe on skin. Actually, Metal Rescue's safe on a lot of things. It's safe on paint, rubber, plastic. It's safe on everything except rust. And also, it's biodegradable, environmentally friendly, non-flammable, and fume-free. No smell, folks. All right, now the fun part. Step 1. Soak. All right, step 2. Check it. Managing your soak times of Metal Rescue has never been easier. Just soak your part until the rust is gone. If it hasn't been removed when you check it, let it soak longer. That's it. Okay? It's been a total of 18 hours. Let's check it again and hopefully see some results. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Check this out. Metal Rescue, it didn't even harm the paint. It only removed the rust from this hitch. So cool. Okay, step 3. You want to dry it. Once it's dry, now you're ready for paint, or whatever the next step in your restoration is. Make sure you cover the used Metal Rescue and store it for another day. Remember, Metal Rescue is reusable. 1 gallon will remove up to a half a pound of rust. Now, that's a ton of rust. Wow, that was easy. Let's take a look at some before and after shots. And for effect, let's put in some oohs and ahs. That's what I'm talking about. Metal Rescue Rust Remover Bath. Your clean, safe, and easy way to remove rust from metal. Interested? Pick a jug up now at your local AutoZone, Home Depot, and Canadian Tire today. Oh, and for those parts you can't soak, we make it in a gel. Pick it up at your local AutoZone. Thanks for watching.